Alright. Hammer set.
Won't you take off right back up so the clock can take off?
Yeah, I will. I just take off out here just in case it goes over the grass. Alright, go ahead, Eric.
Yeah, I'll let you do a couple of runs. I'm just going to stay hovering for a second.
Okay.
That's a good speed to start off with.
Okay. I can stay there. Tell me when you're locked in, then, because I'm going to stay in this turn for a little bit.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm going to line up for the runway now. You on me?
Yep. I lost you in the sun.
Only one went off.
I lost you in the sun.
Oh, okay.
Alright. You went straight into the sun. I can follow you.
If you come tomorrow, I'm going to do it tomorrow. Yeah.
At Bayside? Yeah.
Not here, at Bayside. Yeah. Only one side worked. Got to figure out why. Those rockets are loud. They're a lot louder than the other ones.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I lost you.
I'm above you. So I'm actually going to come in because that battery wasn't totally charged.
Alright.
Launch mode. Normal mode.
So let's see. Yeah, I'm landing right now. Nasty noises. Why didn't that one go? What the hell?